This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth on your Nissan Altima. First, make sure your vehicle is in a safe, parked position with the engine running. Next, grab your mobile device and ensure its Bluetooth function is turned on and discoverable. Then, navigate to your Altima's infotainment system and press the Phone or Settings button to begin the setup. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth connection. Now, let's pair your device. On your Altima's screen, choose Connect Device or Add New Device. Your car will then become discoverable. On your phone, open the Bluetooth settings and look for My Car or Nissan Altima in the list of available devices. Select it, and a 4-digit passkey will appear on both screens. Confirm this code to complete the secure connection. Sometimes, you might encounter connection hiccups. First, double-check that Bluetooth is enabled on both your phone and your Altima. If that doesn't work, try deleting any old pairings from both devices, as this often resolves conflicts. A simple restart of your phone and the car's infotainment system can also work wonders, refreshing the connection. Remember, patience is key when troubleshooting. Once connected, your Altima offers a seamless experience. Your car will automatically reconnect to the last paired device each time you start it, making future drives effortless. Take advantage of voice commands for hands-free calling and controlling your music, enhancing safety and convenience. You can also manage up to 5 different Bluetooth devices, perfect for multiple drivers or passengers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.